Hello students, welcome to ABS lecture. In previous lecture, we have studies about good habits, how we have to follow good habits and what are good habits. Okay. Now we will study about safety. Different types of safety at home, at school, on the school bus, on the road. We will study today's at today. Okay. So we will start. SAFETY. Safety means being safe from danger, risk, or injury. Any type of danger, things, or any type of risk, or any type of injury. Injury means if we are using scissor, blade, or any sharp thing, so we have to be safe from that thing. Okay. So safety means being safe from danger, risk, or injury. Okay. Then there are many things around us that may not be safe or could cause harm. We all know that students that our around, our nearby or anything, the anything could not be safe or it could be harm. So we have to take care of that also. Okay. We need to be careful with them. We must take care of ourselves and be careful of people who can hurt us or make us uncomfortable. So we have to take care of ourselves by doing so many activity and be keeping us safe and be careful of people and outside when we are going anywhere or in the school. We have to take care that no one should can be hurt you or make us uncomfortable. Okay, understood? So safety means being safe from danger, risk, or injury. Okay. Now safety at home. Okay. So here some questions have given and you have to take yes or no. Okay. So first, play with sharp object. So students, we all know that we should not play with sharp objects because it get danger for us and get cut cut from or cut from that object. Okay. So it is no. Open the door to stranger. We do not have to open the door for stranger. Stranger are the person that we don't know in any type of relation. Okay. स्ट्रेंजर मीन्स जो अनजान लोग होते हैं ना उनको बोलते हैं स्ट्रेंजर. ओके. सो इट इज नो, इट इज रॉन्ग. ओके. प्ले नियर द गैस स्टोव और द हीटर. गैस स्टोव और हीटर के पास हमें नहीं खेलना चाहिए. ओके. तो इट इज नो. डू नॉट प्ले विथ इलेक्ट्रिक switch and the plug. In the previous I have taught you that we don't have to open the switch or the light. We have to switch off the lights and fan when we are leaving the room, but we do not have to play with the switches and the plug. It is danger for us. Okay. Leave the toy on the floor after playing. You should do not leave the toys after playing. Okay. Keep in their place. So it is wrong. Okay. Understood? Now safety at school. In school, what safety we should follow? push friends in the playground. We should not push the friends in the playground or anywhere. Okay, so it is wrong. Inform the teacher if someone is hurt. If someone is hurt, we should inform the teacher. So it is yes. Okay. Run on stairs and the corridor. We should not run at the stairs and the corridor. मीन्स हमको सीढ़ियों पे और लॉबी में जो भी क्लास के बाहर हमको कभी भी भागना नहीं चाहिए. So it is wrong. Okay. Now safety on the school bus. In school bus, what safety we have to follow? Okay. Get on and off of the moving bus. When the bus is moving, we should not get on or off. मीन्स चालू बस में हमको अंदर बाहर नहीं करना चाहिए. ओके, सो इट इज नो. Wait for your turn while getting on and off the bus. Whenever we are getting in or out of the bus, we should wait for our turn. So it is true. Okay, lean out the window. So we should not never lean off the window. Means हमको खिड़की से कभी भी बाहर नहीं झांकना चाहिए. ओके, जब भी बस चालू हो हमको खिड़की से बाहर नहीं झांकना चाहिए. डू नॉट स्टैंड इन अ मूविंग बस. हमको चालू बस में कभी भी खड़े नहीं होना चाहिए. सो इट इज यस. Safety on road. Okay. Run and cross the road. You should never run and cross the road. We should have to take our parents, our grandparents for cross the road. Okay. Use the footpath while walking on the road. So क्या we should have to use footpath for crossing and walking on the road. Use the zebra crossing while crossing the road. We should use zebra crossing for crossing the road. So it is yes. Cross the road with adult. Always cross the road with adults. Okay. So it is yes. हमको हमारे बड़ों के साथ ही रोड क्रॉस करना चाहिए. ओके. नाउ क्रॉस द रोड व्हेन द ट्रैफिक हैज क्लियर. व्हेन द ट्रैफिक हैज क्लियर, ऑन दैट टाइम ओनली वी हैव टू क्रॉस द रोड. ओके, अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट्स? नाउ वी विल डू सेल्फ चेक. Whatever we have studied in this chapter, we have to revise it. Okay. First, good habit help us to be good with other and ourselves. So yes, it is true, because good habit help us to be good, okay, with other and ourselves also. Good habits हमको अपने साथ और दूसरों के साथ भी अच्छे से बिहेव करना सिखाती है. We should love and respect ourselves, everyone and everything around us. Whatever thing is near we or anything or anyone, we should have to be love and respect have to give. Okay. हमको हमारे खुद से, हमारे आसपास जो भी है उनसे, और हमारे आसपास कोई भी थिंक होता है उनसे, उनको हमको लव और रिस्पेक्ट देना चाहिए. ओके, वी शुड गिव लव एंड रिस्पेक्ट टू देम. ओके, वी शुड बी अवेयर एंड कीप अवर सेल्फ सेफ फ्रॉम डेंजर, रिस्क एंड इंजरी. ओके, we have to take care and be aware. Aware means हमको हमेशा सतर्क रहना चाहिए, हमको हमेशा ध्यान रखना चाहिए किसका, हमारा खुद का और दूसरों का भी, और हमको सेफ रहना चाहिए किससे, डेंजर चीज़ों से, रिस्क से, और कोई भी इंजरी हो उससे हमको ध्यान रखना चाहिए. ओके, वी शुड बी अवेयर एंड कीप आवर सेल्फ सेफ फ्रॉम danger, risk or injury. Okay students, understood? Here we are going to complete our explanation. Okay, hope you all are understood.